So you guys, I stopped recording because it was getting too complicated, but this is what it looks like. This is the end result of the tape thing. Not tape, the protector for the Vanity. But this is what it looks like. So I bought this mirror at Lowe's and I got the 24 and like 36 inch whatever. I got these lights from Amazon. But these are the lights and this is what they look like that, and they come in 10 lights. So let's get started. I'm gonna clean my mirror before I set my lights, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Now I'm done cleaning it. Sorry guys, my camera cut out. I already set my lights on and I'm gonna measure them in between. I'm going to start taking out the plastic. It's real sturdy. I'm gonna do it all around, so I will show y'all this part when I'm done. And I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. Now that I made all of them even, I'm gonna duct tape these wires behind the mirror. So I'm gonna show you how I do. I'm gonna get the wires and I'm gonna duct tape them, but I'm gonna check if it looks, if the wires are hidden. Hey guys, I wanted to see if they work. The lights actually work, but I don't know how to, oh there they go. I dimmed them and they're bright again. Alright you guys, I just threw everything up here because honestly I don't know what to do with it because the mirror, I don't want really nothing in front of the mirror, so All my stuff is just like literally on the side, but I'm so happy about my mirror. Like, I had to show y'all again like how nice it is, and I can't wait to use it. Well, tomorrow I'm going somewhere, so I'll be using it tomorrow. I'm excited. But again, thank y'all for watching my video. I love how it makes my face looks more clear and HD, so I'll be making more of my videos here. But thank y'all again for watching. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna like glue or tape this piece where you turn on the lights. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm just gonna glue it on my vanity, so when I turn it on it'll just be right there. But I'm just gonna figure out where if I want to glue it or tape it. So you guys, if y'all really want a vanity mirror but can't afford it, I recommend you to do this tip. You know, this mirror was 20 bucks at Lowe's, and then these lights were 20 bucks on Amazon, so you can't beat that. But it looks like an expensive mirror. Y'all want to see more DIY videos, y'all stay tuned, and I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Thank y'all for watching. I hope this video helped. If not, if you have questions, I am more happy to help y'all and answer them. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe, like my video, show some love, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.